So this is page 18. These are the three that we've done already. Supplementary, complementary, and adjacent. Complementary is the one that has the box with it. You have two angles here. The sum is always 90. For supplementary, it's a half circle, and the sum is always 180. So this is the brand new word. It's word number 17. And you've seen it on Kahoots before. It's vertical. So remember, geometry is a visual math. So for this one, you have to be able to see it. You have to see that they're vertical angles. So vertical angles are opposite of each other. Adjacent was side by side. The other ones were side by side. These are opposite each other. They're across from each other. So let's do an example. So you have to be able to see these. You'll have something like this. Supplementary was when you made the half circle. Complementary is when you had to have a box and you had angles out of that. You with me, Jerka? Let's label a couple of letters. All right, so I'm gonna mark angle A. All right, which one, does anyone know which one is across from A? Like straight across from it? C, yeah. Straight across would be C. So those would be vertical angles to each other, okay? What we call these, it kind of looks like the peak of like a bird. So we call them kissing birds. That's the visual that you'll hear me say, kissing birds. Okay, like they put a little eye right there, and they're kissing birds. Do you see it? The beak of them kissing, kind of. All right, so then if we did B, then the vertical angle to B would be the one across from it, which would be D. Remember, geometry is a visual math, so I want you to really be able to see that they're kissing birds at their vertical angles. All right, I'm gonna do another example right here with more angles. You'll see something like this on your warm-up. All right, I'm gonna mark one of them. So let's say we start with F. Okay, so kissing birds are like this. Hopefully you can see it right away. You don't have to tell me the answer, but can you raise your hand if you know which one's vertical to F? Only one. Okay, a couple of you. The one straight across from it, A. So what I'm going to do right now is give you extra credit, green check, if you can tell me the other two pairs. You have to have them both. So it's A and F. And then you'll tell me the one for B and the one for C. Okay, if you get them both, I'll give you extra credit green check. And I'll walk around in just a minute. So which one makes a kissing bird with, oh, I don't know what you guys, kissing bird with B, the one across from it? You have it? Okay, I'll walk around in just a minute. Let me pause this so that if someone's watching this, they don't have to wait till I walk around the room. Okay, so a lot of you got this correct. For C, the one across, some of you had it labeled, so I'm gonna call on those people. Derek, what did you get for C? The one across from C? Yeah, perfect. The one across from C is D. Israel, what did you get for B? One across. It's right here. The one where my pen is at. The one right here. Okay, E.
Oh,
All right, so for congruent, for vertical, so the only we've only done 3 that have to deal with numbers. Complementary, you subtract from 90. Supplementary, you subtract from 180. For vertical, they're congruent. They're equal. So if this one is 70 degrees, this one across from it is 70 degrees. They're exactly the same. So for complementary, you subtract from 90. Supplementary, subtract from 90. For vertical, they're equal. Please copy that. So I'm going to move it in just a minute. You're going to need this for your warm-up.